What up, YouTube? Again, like I said, meal prep, not counting calories, don't know how much is in here. I'm not worried about that. I just want to know and get in the habit of just doing it. Then, baby steps. Then I want to get in the habit of actually counting the calories, see how much I'm eating. So I don't get discouraged. Beginner status, just meal prep. We're like probably 2 or 3 weeks in. I'm just meal prepping, trying to get the hang of that. So today is going to be chest, biceps, and calves. I know it's a little weird. I get it. I'm just gonna pick 2 exercises for chest, 2 exercises for biceps, and maybe 1 or 2 exercises for calves. Probably 1 exercise for calves. It is what it is. All right. So that's what we're doing right now. I'm gonna finish up this pork chop, or at least eat a little bit more of it, and head to the gym. It's gonna be a quick one today. This pork chop's good. Cooked this last night.
Forgive me, I'm a sinner, conquer your 5 niggas. Wrong side of the petition. They smell blood like a shark, they start acting fishy.
Alright, here we go. I should have stretched. You know what? Let me do a lightweight. Get the feel for the exercise. About 50 pounds. And then go from there. Here we go. Ready? About 10 to 15. Get a good stretch. So we're at 50 pounds. Let's go up to 75 pounds. That was just a little warm up. Go up 50 pounds to 75 pounds. And then bring it up to 100 pounds. Probably leave it at that. That's a working set. So I'm gonna do 3 more sets. Pick another chest exercise, 2 bicep exercises, and then a calf exercise. All right? So take about a minute rest. Here we go. I got somewhere to be, so I gotta be quick. Here we go, ready? 10 to 15. 1. Pretty good. Not too bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring it up to 100. 2 more sets. Let it be a working set. And go from there. All right. So I'll show you 1 more, and then we'll move on to another chest exercise. All right. All right. 10 to 15. Here we go. Up close and personal. Let's get it. Ready? 10 to 15. Here we go. 100 pounds. All right, we're starting off with 70 pounds. Let's get it. All right, not too bad. Probably gonna go up to 90, 10 to 15. We're resting about 45 to 60 seconds, maybe 90 seconds, I don't know. I'm trying to rush my exercises, my workout, because I got things to do. I already look tired though. But, all right. Let's do it 10 more seconds and then back at it again. We're up to 100 pounds. All right, so one more set. Rest about 60 to 95 seconds. And I'm gonna leave the weight at 100. I'm tired. Let's get it. It. All right, I'll move on to biceps. All right, so going on to biceps. I'm gonna do a seated arm curl. 10 to 15, probably 3 sets of these. Move on to another bicep exercise and then calves and go home. Let's get it. Felt pretty good. Move on to 37 pounds. 30 second, 90 second rest. All right, let's get it.